गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग सभी? आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, वंडरफुल. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. टुडे वी स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, लिगेंड. In last class, we discussed about the structure of coordination compound. In structure of coordination compound, we have discussed cation, anion, and central metal atom. Now today we start ligand. What is ligand? How many types of ligand? So today's topic is ligand. Today's topic is ligand. Ligand. Ligand are atom, molecule or ion which is attached with the central metal atom. Which is attached with the central metal atom. See here. CuNC whole 4 SO4. This is coordination compound. In this compound, this is central atom, okay, and this is ligand. Ligand which is attached with central metal atom. So these are known as ligand. Okay, so the ligand are atom, molecules or ions which is attached with central metal atom. The nature of ligand is basic. Nature of ligand is basic. Why? Because it donates lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electron. Okay, that's why the nature of ligands is basic. Now we will discuss how many types of ligand. Types of ligand. Ligands are of 4 types. Ligands are of 4 types. First one is monodentate ligand. Second one is bidentate ligand. Third one is polydentate ligand. And fourth one is MP, or also known as MB. Okay, so the ligands are of 4 types. First one is monodentate ligand, second one is bidentate ligand, third one is polydentate ligand, and the last one is MP, and also known as MP-dentate ligand. So the ligands are of 4 types. Now we will discuss one by one all ligands. First we will discuss monodentate ligand. First one is monodentate ligand. Mono means one, only one donor atom present. One donor atom present. Due to presence of one donor atom, it is known as monodentate ligand. These ligands are positive, negative, and neutral. Means monodentate ligand divided into 3 categories: negative, second one is positive, and third one is neutral. Okay, now first negative. Negative monodendron ligand means it contains negative charge. Negative means it contains single negative charge. Because negative means negative charge, mono means one, dendron means donor. It means only one negative charge is present on monodendron negative ligand. देखिए for example, now we talk about nomenclature. Nomenclature of negative ligand. In these ligand, we add suffix O. We add suffix O. Suffix O. See here. Example, Cl minus. This is chloride ion. If we convert into ligand, negative ligand, we add suffix O. We add suffix O. So it is converted into chlorido. See here, chloride plus O. So it is converted into chlorido. So the name of ligand is chlorido, and the charge is -1. Another example, Br minus. The name is bromide. If we add suffix O, it converts into bromido. Bromido, and the charge is -1. Another example, F minus, fluorido, charge -1. Cn minus, cyanido, charge -1. NC, isocyanide, charges -1. OH minus, hydroxyl, charges -1. CO3 minus 2, carbolito, charges -2. Okay. S minus 2, sulfido, charges -2. SO3 minus 2, sulfido, charge -2. SO4 minus 2, sulfato, charges -2. NO2, nitro, and also known as, if nitrogen form bond, then it is also known as N-nitrito. ठीक है, ONO means oxygen form bond, that is known as O-nitrito. Understand? There are various examples of negative ligand. Okay, now we will discuss positive monodendron ligand. Means those ligand contain positive charge. Contain positive charge. Positive monodendron The name of these ligands we add as a suffix "-em". We add as a suffix "-em". Okay. Now see here. Positively, for example, NH4 plus. If we add suffix "-em", then it convert into ammonium. Ammonium. The charge is +1. So the name of ligand is ammonium. This is positive monodalton ligand because it contains positive charge. NO2 plus. Nitronium. Nitronium. Charge is +1. Another example. NO plus. Nitrocerium. Charge is +1. So this is the example of positive monodalton ligand. It contains only positive charge. Now third one is neutral monodalton ligand. Neutral means it doesn't contain positive charge or negative charge. Both charge are absent in these ligands. Neutral means does not contain positive or negative charge. The name of these ligands are specific. Particular ligand contain particular specific name. For example, see here, NH3. The name of this ligand is amine. This is a specific name. Amine. And the charge is 0. H2O. Aqua. The name of H2O is aqua. Charge is 0. C6H5N. Pyridine is also represented by Py. Pyridine. Charge is 0. C6H6. Benzene. Charge is 0. Now another example is CO. Carbonyl. Charge is 0. CS. Thiocarbonyl. Charge is 0. Okay. Now, so this is the example of neutral monodalton ligand. So we will discuss the various type of monodalton ligand. Today we will discuss monodalton ligand. This is divided into 3 categories: positive, negative, and neutral. Now, in next class, we will discuss about the bidalton ligand. Thank you so much, dear students.